In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance using market or limit orders. First, open the Binance app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and that the app is updated to the latest version so the screens match what you see here and everything runs smoothly. Before moving on, check your wallet balance. You'll need funds available to complete a purchase. You can use a stablecoin like USDT or a supported local currency balance depending on your account. If the balance is low, add funds first because you won't be able to place a buy without money available in your wallet. Once your wallet is funded, look at the bottom menu and tap Trade. This is the main screen for buying and selling. At the top, choose the trading pair you want to use. If you're buying Bitcoin with USDT, select BTC USDT. If your balance is in another currency, pick a pair that matches it. Take a moment to double check the pair label so you're using the correct quote currency. BTC paired with USDT, BUSD, or a local currency can look similar at a glance, and choosing the wrong one can lead to unexpected pricing. Next, select your order type. A market order buys immediately at the current market price. It's simple and fast, but the final price can vary slightly due to market movement and liquidity, which is known as slippage. A limit order lets you set the exact price you want to pay. Your order will sit on the order book and will only execute if the market reaches that price. This is helpful when you're targeting a specific entry and want price control. Now decide how much you want to buy. You can enter the total you want to spend in the quote currency, such as how much USDT to use, or you can type the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive. Many interfaces also include sliders to quickly choose a percentage of your available balance. Review the numbers carefully. Keep in mind that fees and small price movements can affect the final filled quantity, especially with market orders. When everything looks right, the pair, the order type, your limit price if applicable, and the amount, tap buy. Market orders typically execute right away, and you'll see your new Bitcoin reflected in your balances almost immediately. Limit orders will remain open until the market reaches your chosen price, and you'll see the result in your balances once the order fills. That's the process. Remember, crypto prices can be volatile. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Consider your risk tolerance and do your own research before trading.